Alright, so what is this simple method? Well, I call it the 3C technique. It's called 3C because there are 3 steps: copy, compare, and correct. Now, before we talk about how to do these steps, there are a few things you will need for the exercise. You will need an English language movie or TV show to practice with. It should have subtitles. You'll need to watch on a computer, a DVD player, or a phone so that you can rewind. And you will need a voice recorder to record your own voice. This can be just your cell phone. Before doing the exercise, you should sit down and watch the movie or TV show fully one time. This is to understand the story. Don't worry about learning English, just enjoy it on your first watch. After you have seen the movie or show once, it's time to start the first stage of the exercise, copy. That is, you're going to copy the pronunciation of the actors in the movie one sentence at a time. When you hear a sentence, listen to it and then stop the video. Look at the subtitles and say the sentence that you just heard. You should try to imitate the actor's pronunciation exactly. Then rewind the video, that is, go back a few seconds and listen to the sentence again, and then stop the video and practice once again. You should do this a few times with the same sentence. Listen, stop the video, and practice. Listen, stop, practice. This is how you copy the pronunciation of native speakers. Do this 3 or 4 times, and then move on to the second step, compare. That is, you're going to compare your pronunciation with the actor's pronunciation. So take your voice recorder or your cell phone and record yourself saying that same first sentence. Now play the movie and listen to the actor saying it. Then play the recording and listen to yourself. Are you saying all the words correctly? Is your rhythm the same as the actor's? Is your tone right? This is the process of comparing. And now you correct. Based on your listening and your own recording, make changes to the way you say the sentence so that your pronunciation matches the pronunciation of the actor. Keep practicing that same sentence until you get it right. While you do this, if you want to go back and listen to the movie, that's fine. You can also record yourself multiple times to check your pronunciation. Finally, when you are happy that you are saying the sentence correctly, record yourself one final time and keep the recording for future reference. After you have completed the 3 stages, you move on to the second sentence and repeat the steps. Listen to the sentence, copy the actor's pronunciation, practice it a couple of times, record yourself, compare it with what you hear in the movie, correct yourself, and then go on to the third sentence, and so on. Now you might be thinking, this is going to take a long time. Well, it could, but you don't have to do this for every single sentence in the movie or show. If a sentence is too easy, or it's too long and difficult, or if it's not very interesting, skip it and go on to the next one. Pick sentences that you like, but make sure that you practice these sentences thoroughly until you can say them exactly like the native speaker you are imitating. It can also be a good idea to write down these sentences in a notebook so that you can practice them by yourself later. As I said in the beginning of the video, this is the same technique I use to improve my own English. If you stick with it, if you do it regularly, I guarantee that you will improve your pronunciation and be able to learn any accent you want. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button to get my latest lessons right here on YouTube. Happy learning, and I will see you